CMC group administration. The group administration is done at the same place where we did the user administration, users and group menu item. So if we go under the users and group, by default, it opens up on the group hierarchy list. If we click on the group list, it shows all the groups which we have in the system. It also shows a total at the bottom right hand corner. So currently it's showing that we have around 40 groups. To check the properties of the group, we can just right click on any of the group and go to the properties, similar to user administration. Here it shows the name of the group. We can also put a description of the group if needed. The user security is similar to the user administration, tells who have access to make changes to this particular group. Member of. We can make a group a part of a parent group. So I can create a parent group and I can create several child groups to it. When I'm creating the child group, I can make them a member of the parent group. Profile values is similar to the user administration. We can create a profile for a group, or we can create an account manager for a group. Now, to create a user group is very similar to how we created a user. We can click on this create new group. We're gonna mention it as test 1, 2, 3. We can put a description. Click OK. And there it is. We just created a new group. I'm gonna search for that group. And here's the group which I just created. I can right click on it, go to the properties, and make this group as a child group of a parent group. So for that, I'm gonna do join group. And let's say my parent group was delivery users. Select this group and click OK. I'm going to close this. Now, if I go under the hierarchy here, I can see how my child group is related to the parent group. So my parent group delivery users was already a part of the Universe Designer users. So here's my delivery user group. And if I click on this plus sign, here's my test 1, 2, 3, which is a part of the delivery users group. So in turn, test 1, 2, 3 is actually a part of the delivery users, and delivery user is a part of the Universe Designer users. If I don't want my group to be a child group, I can go back to the properties, go in the member of, select the group, and hit remove. What this will do is, try refresh. What this will do is bring my test group right under the hierarchy, right here. Now, since my group is created, the next step is to assign this group some authentication. So I can go into my folder structure and select a folder. Let's say I want to assign that group to demo. So I can go on, under the demo, go to the user security, and add that particular group to this folder. I can assign I can assign what kind of access does the user get. So I'm going to say view on demand. Okay, there it is. So my test 123 now have access to the folder demo. What this does is now if I assign anybody to this group, test 123, they will automatically get access to the folder demo 123. I don't have to take each user to the folder and assign each user as view on demand. I can just take the group and assign the group as view on demand and assign users to the group.